and we'll begin with our left leg. You can place your hand underneath that leg because here's what we're going to do. I invite you to lift your knee. So we're just lifting the leg. And when we do this, we're activating this top thigh muscle, the quadricep. Now you have a few options here. You can release one hand and then just think about it's mostly the leg that's doing the work and the hand is just there for support. Or if you'd like to try, you can take both hands away and just lift your leg up and down. It seems like such a small, simple movement, but oh boy, after a few of these, your leg will really start to feel that muscle working. So one more, put it down. Oh, shake that out. We'll try it to the other side. So your options, you can have both hands underneath as you lift your knee up and down, feeling that quadricep muscle working each time to lift the weight of your leg. You have the option to take one hand out, and again, thinking about the muscle doing most of the work and your hand is just there for support. Or if you'd like, taking both hands out. Now, why is it important to have strong quadricep muscles? We use these all the time. Climbing the stairs, getting up and down from a chair, bending to lift a grandchild. They're very important muscles. One more here. And put that down. Oh, yes. I can feel the fire, the energy burning in those muscles. The next one, lifting underneath, and we will just take the leg in and out. This works the inner and outer thigh muscles. And you have the same options here. You can release one hand and then let the muscle do most of the work. You can try releasing both hands. Oh my. Just try a few of these. Find what works for you. Maybe it's one hand underneath. Can you do one more? Yes, one more, and let that down. Oh, let's take that to the other side. So both hands underneath, lift your knee, bringing the leg in and out, and you have the same options. Both hands, one hand, maybe no hand. Why are these muscles important? Well, what I can think of is every time I get in and out of the car, you want your leg muscles to be strong so you can just step your way out of the car and not have to just pick your leg up and put it in and out of the car. One more time, and bring it down. Let's come back to the other side. Some hip circles. So hands underneath, and lifting the leg up and out and around. Just a few times, find what option works for you. Do you try it with no hands for one or two? For this one, I like to have one hand here supporting. And let's take it in the other direction. As we do this, as we come across the body this way, it's a nice massage for your digestive system, your lower belly. Let's do one more. And put that down, shake it out. We'll take it to the other side. Both hands underneath, lift the knee, and take it out and around, up and out and around a few times. Find what option works for you. Can you try one or two without holding on? You don't have to. Yoga honors the body where you are today, and we don't want to do anything that will hurt. So bring that down, because tomorrow, if your muscles are too sore, you'll say, I don't want to do that again. So start where it's comfortable, and you can build up a little bit over time. And that's it. Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. If you'd like to learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit my website, www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.